semi-finals. And listen to the roar. The fireworks are lit. The flashbulbs are going mad. The familiar smile of the fastest man the world has ever. Line up in lane number 4. Big feet, right? Because there's a lot to fit in those pair of shoes. All the global medals, 11 world golds, 8 Olympic golds.
And this is it. Individually, this is it. The very last time in a competitive context that Usain Bolt will explode, hopefully, from the blocks. Just the relay to come after this.
Final individual race from the greatest of all time. The final of the men's 100 metres. Well, it's a clean start. It's a good start by Coleman. Concentrating just on the single event that he said is easiest to train for, which was the 100 metres. So to even have him here in London and talking about him for another season, of course, has been a pleasure. But the tightness in his shoulders, Peter, we never see him. Picks up the silver for a US 1-2. And Usain Bolt in his final individual race runs 9.95 seconds for bronze.
One last event, one last race for Usain Bolt. It's the men's 4x100 metres relay. It is hard to convey the mood in this stadium right now. Such a sense of anticipation and expectation. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, watch this man, as we all will, for one last time. The eyes of the world focus on the Olympic Stadium in London for the final of the 4x100 metres relay. Rarely has there been a greater sense of anticipation ahead of Britain, Jamaica and the United States. And look at this from Mitchell Blake. It's Great Britain. Great Britain, yes! I can't believe it. Great Britain have taken the gold medal. Usain Bolt is limping down the track. It hasn't ended as he would have liked. We'll salute him in a moment. A 15-year international career comes to an end. And just like Muhammad Ali, he has shaken up the world in his own inimitable style. Tonight, the world salutes Usain Bolt. Tonight, we simply say thank you.
I don't think one championship is going to change what I've done. I just want to thank everybody in this room. I know a lot of you guys have followed me through my career. You know what I mean? Some of you guys have written some bad things about me, but it is what it is. But without you guys, anyways, it would be the same. So I want to thank you guys for everything, and thanks for being a part of this and watching my journey and helping me to build and so on and so forth. So I just want to thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Thanks.